Welcome back. Do you have your notebook out? Let's get ready to do our math problem of the day. Are you ready? Good. I'm going to read the story, and remember, you can solve the problem using a math picture or numbers. Are you ready? Here's the story. Bella spilled some pencils on the carpet. Gino came over to help her pick them up. Gino found 5 pencils under the desk, and Bella found 4 by the door. How many pencils did they find altogether? Draw a math picture and write a number bond and a number sentence that tells about the story. I'm going to read it again. Bella spilled some pencils on the carpet. Gino came over to help pick them up. Gino found 5 pencils under the desk, and Bella found 4 by the door. How many pencils did they find all together? Pause the video and write this problem in your math journal. Hi, you're back. Let's go through the problem together. It said that Gino and Bella were looking for pencils, and Gino found 5 pencils underneath the table, and Bella found 4 pencils by the door. So let's draw 5 pencils to represent what Gino found, and let's draw 4 pencils to represent what Bella found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pencils, and these 5 pencils represent the pencils that Gino found. Let's draw 4 pencils to represent what Bella found. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 pencils that Gino found. There are 4 pencils that Bella found, and the question said, how many did they find altogether? So let's add those 2 together and see what we can come up with. Now, yesterday, we learned to make a number sentence, so let's do the same thing again. 5 pencils that Gino found, so I'm going to write 5. 4 pencils that Bella found, so I'm going to write 4. And remember, when we add 2 numbers together, we use the plus sign. 5 plus 4. So 5 pencils that Gino found plus 4 pencils that Bella found equals the amount of pencils they found all together. So let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do that again. 5. I know there are 5 here because I wrote 5 there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So we know they found 9 pencils altogether. But what's a number bond? Let's make a number bond. In a number bond, the whole number, so how many pencils they found all together, is in the top circle. So we make a circle and we write 9. This is the whole. And then we know that 9, the whole, which this is all of it, the whole is made up of 2 parts. Gino's part and Bella's part. Gino's part is 5 and Bella's part is 4. So we know that 9 is made up of 5 and 4. We'll keep learning this as we continue. Hi, first grader. Yesterday we practiced counting the math way. Remember? All up and then all down. So let's practice counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's do it again. Do it with me this time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can pause the video and practice this a couple more times before you're ready to move on. Hi, first grader. So last time we talked, we had this tens frame. Remember, this is called a tens frame. So remember how this works? How many are on top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are on bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, that's the same number as fingers on our hand. So let's fill up the top row just like we did last time with our counters. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we filled up the top row, so I know that if I see a full top row, that means there will be 5. Just like if I see a full bottom row, there will be 5 there. But if I see a full tens frame, I know there will be 10. It's in the name, tens frame. So today, instead of just playing with 5, I'm going to add one more to the mix. So let's count this. Watch. 5. Remember, I know there are 5. There's always only going to be 5 on the top row of a tens frame if they are full. 5, 6. Do that with me. 5, and then count up 1. 6. I don't need to count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I know there are 5 up there. You're in first grade now. You know there are 5. Ready? 5, 6. Let's write the number 6. 6. And let's count one more time. 5, 6. A number bond. So up here, I have some counters, and I'm going to put 6 counters in my number bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm putting them in the whole section. Remember, this is the whole number of counters. So I'm going to put 6 of them in there because 6 is our whole. So let's write the number 6 in our whole because I see 6. Let's recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 counters in the whole. And remember, we can split a number into 2 parts. So let's just split them into parts. I'm not going to count right now. I'm just going to split it. You can go here, you can go here, you can go here, and then you can all go over here. So in our number bond, how many are in the first part? 1, 2, 3. 3 are in our first part. How many are in our second part? 1, 2, 3. 3 are in the second part. So if I pull all of my counters off of my number bond, this is what my number bond looks like. We had 6, and 6 can be split up into 2 parts, 3 and 3. Remember, 6 can be split up into 3 and 3. This is like saying that Miss Williams has a handful of 6 M&Ms, and I'm going to put 3 in your hand and keep 3 in my hand. All together, we still have 6, but when they're split up, there's 3 in your hand and 3 in my hand. Let's write our number bond. 6 is the whole. and it can be divided into 3 and 3. So let's say this sentence. 3 and 3 make 6. Say it with me. 3 and 3 make 6. Now let's erase and let's make a different number bond. I'm going to keep 6 because I'm not going to add any of these counters. I'm just going to use the 6 counters that we've been using. So remember, 6 is the whole. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know there's 6. Now let's separate it into 2 parts. I'm going to put these 2 here, and then, and then the rest are going to go in this part. Now, how many counters are in this part of my number bond? I see 2. Let's write the number 2. How many counters are in this part of my number bond? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4. So let's say the sentence. 2 and 4 make 6. Repeat after me. 2 and 4 make 6. Your turn. And make. Good job.